Travel Paris on a budget, insider tips and affordable gems under $1,000. Travel Paris on a budget, insider tips and affordable gems under $1,000. Traveling to Paris doesn't have to break the bank. Here are top tips and budget-friendly spots to enjoy the City of Light without overspending. Insider travel tips for Paris on a budget. Use a Paris Visite Pass for unlimited metro and bus rides. Book flights and accommodations well in advance to snag the best deals. Maximize credit card points by using travel rewards cards for flights and hotels. Fly standby or use flexible dates to get cheaper airfare. Eat like a local. Visit markets, bakeries, and casual bistros instead of tourist traps. Take advantage of free museum days, usually the first Sunday of the month. Walk or rent a bike to explore the city and save on transportation. Budget-friendly places to visit in Paris. 1. Montmartre, charming neighborhood with free street art and beautiful views. From Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Open daily, Basilica, 6 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. 2. Jardin du Luxembourg, lovely public gardens perfect for a picnic or stroll. Open daily, 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m., varies by season. 3. Musée d'Art Moderne de la Ville de Paris, free permanent collections with modern art. Open Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., closed Monday. 4. Canal Saint-Martin, great spot for a relaxed walk, people watching, and affordable cafes nearby. Open any time, cafes vary in hours, mostly 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. 5. Père Lachaise Cemetery, free entry to visit famous graves like Jim Morrison and Oscar Wilde. Open daily, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., hours vary by season. 6. Le Marais District, historic area with free galleries, vintage shops, and budget eateries. Shops and cafes mostly open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., Sunday hours vary. 7. Parc des Buttes-Chaumont, a scenic, lesser-known park with cliffs and waterfalls. Open daily, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. 8. Rue Claire Market, affordable fresh food market with bakeries, cheese shops, and produce. Open daily except Monday, 7 a.m. at 2:30 p.m. 9. Musée Carnavalet, history museum about Paris, free entry. Open Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., closed Monday. 10. La Petite Cincha, abandoned railway turned walking trail, perfect for urban exploration. Access varies, some sections open daily, check local signs. Affordable eats near these spots. Le Petit Claire, near Rue Claire, casual French bistro, lunch menus around €15. Open Tuesday to Sunday, 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Chez Gladens, Le Marais, Basque-style hearty dishes, affordable and filling. Open daily, 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Du Pain et d'Ides, Canal Saint-Martin, famous bakery for delicious pastries under €5. Open Tuesday to Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m., Sunday 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., closed Monday. Crêperie Jocelyn, Montmartre, traditional Breton crepes for €5 to €10. Open daily, 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Important disclaimer. Business hours and rules may change without notice. Always check official websites or contact venues directly before visiting. We built our digital businesses at newbeginning.com, which is why we can pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com/webinar to find out more. Thanks, and God bless you.